Success in finance isn't about being a genius. It's about being disciplined when everyone else is distracted. In 2026, the world moves faster than ever, but the laws of wealth remain unchanged. Most people look for a magic pill, a crypto moonshot, or a lucky stock pick. But true wealth is built through the 1% rule. If you improve your financial situation by just 1% every day, you don't just get slightly better. Through the power of compounding, you become 37 times wealthier by the end of the year. Look at the gears of a watch. Each one is small, almost insignificant. But together, they control the most valuable asset you have: time. Your money should work exactly like these gears. Start by auditing your digital leaks. Small subscriptions, impulsive clicks, minor fees. They seem like nothing, but they are the friction slowing down your machine. Replace that friction with automation. Set your system to invest before you even see your paycheck. When you remove the human element, you remove the human error. Remember, wealth is not about what you buy. It is about what you own. It's about the freedom to choose how you spend your day. Mastery over your finances is mastery over your life. The system is ready. The question is, are you disciplined enough to follow it? Subscribe, and let's build your legacy 1% at a time.